Today, I'll be sharing with you of what I've learned from the empowerment technologies. I also learned about ICT or Information and Communication Technology, which is not just about using computers, but about connecting people and sharing information effectively. It taught me to be more confident in using digital tools for research, presentations, and communication.
Help me on how technology empowers people, connects communities, and transforms the way we live, learn, and communicate in the digital world. One of the most important things I learned in empowerment technologies is how to use technology responsibly and creatively. I discovered how digital tools like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Your lesson is about netiquette or internet etiquette. Netiquette helps me become a responsible digital citizen. It reminds me to think before I post, respect others' opinions, avoid spreading fake news, and protect my privacy online. By practicing good etiquette, I've learned to build a positive online reputation and create a safer and more respectful online environment for everyone. It also helps me avoid online conflicts, protect my privacy, and also create a more positive digital environment.